so scared right now.
Let's just be real here.
That was all it was.
That was a long ass time for what that was.
So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and pop the hood and take the valve cover off. We're gonna start with that, and then we're gonna move under the car and take the oil pan off just to see what's going on with this thing. Dude, it runs better with the valve cover off. Maybe the PCV valve is fucking clogged on this
maybe.
thing. Well, we're gonna see, make sure, we're gonna pull the oil pan and see how she runs with that, because I think we might have a PCV issue here.
Yes, I know. He wants to sit on my lap, but he can't fit with the cone. I'm sorry. Nice.
I would love to see this thing explode.
I want a fucking rod to chuck through, but I think she's gonna run mint with no oil.
I hate this thing.
Thoughts? Well, we know it's gonna break for sure. How long it lasts? Maybe 60 seconds.
All right, so I'm gonna get in it and start it up.
Yep.
I don't know how far back I should stand.
I don't think we're gonna lose a rod through the block. I think we're gonna seize it.
That's kind of crazy. I've never seen anything like that.
Dude, I don't want to like stand too close to it.
Yeah, I know.
Hopefully it got a good shot of the startup. That's what these are made for.
I'm putting a brake on it. Putting a brake on it.
I'm going.
I can't believe it's been like a minute.
It's getting lower. It's oh, there she goes. Oh, fuck.
That's unbelievable how long that's lasting. It's speeding back up.
I am so scared right now.
Oh, that's it. Seized.
Oh my god.
Seized. Let's just be real
Glad
here.
that was all it was.
That was a long ass time for what that was.
I think that once she cools down, it'll unmelt itself, unweld itself, and we can crank her right up.
I don't think that's how that works, but
I guess we're done with the video for today. Yeah, we f***ed her.
sick.